welcome to SAC. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share you guys a small bottle art which I did this recent day. And that came well, hence I thought to share you. This is a very simple bottle art for a beginner. Let's start. First I'll show you the materials which we need for bottle art. First we need a glass bottle, Fevicol, hot glue, seashells, water and acrylic paint. Acrylic paint I am using black and white. Black for the background and white for the shells. Try using dark colors for the background. Now let's start on it. Here I am taking an empty beer bottle that I have already cleaned and kept. The first step is that we need to paste tissue paper evenly on the entire bottle. For pasting it, I am using Fevicol. Now I will take a tissue paper and cut it into 2 equal parts. I have already cut a bunch of tissue paper so that it will be easy for me to take and paste it out. Let me first take a small amount of Fevicol and mix it with water. I am taking 2 spoons of water. Okay. This helps us to spread the Fevicol easily on the bottle. Otherwise, I've noticed that the thickness of the Fevicol is little more and it is difficult to paste tissue. If you are using soft tissues, try pasting 2 layers of tissues. That will be good for your bottle. Now I have completed pasting the tissues on the bottle. Do not directly start painting on the bottle. Keep it for 3 to 4 hours for drying. If you are in a hurry, use a hairdryer for drying it. I have kept this bottle for more than 5 hours. Now we'll start painting. I am using a black acrylic color for painting. Basically, I hold my bottle like this for painting and start from the bottom. But now for the video, I am keeping my bottle on the board. Now I'm done with painting the bottle. Now we'll take it and keep it for drying. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll paint my shells. For this design, I'm taking 9 shells of 3 different sizes. One is big, one is medium, and one is small. Okay. So now let's start painting. Now the bottle is dried completely. I kept it for 45 minutes. If you think that after 45 minutes it's dried and you still feel stickiness in your bottle, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes again. Now we are left with sticking of the shells. For that I am using hot glue that I plugged in 5 minutes before. Now we have to stick it. So let's start. So we should apply the hot glue on the shell, like on the edges. Be careful, don't put it on your skin. Okay. And after that, just stick it to the, like this, okay, and hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. we are done with the sticking of the shell. Now I'm doing a small design on the top of the bottle. Okay, so let's start. So I'm done with the bottle art and this is the final output. Friends, you can also try this simple bottle art and let me know the feedback. Hope you all enjoyed my video. With new idea I'll be coming in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.